Hey guys, welcome to another video. My name is David Pinto. They also call me Tips with Dave. Guys, I have come on this channel after pretty much a month of being out traveling the world and doing my own thing when it comes to my day job. And I wanted to come out and make this video because I think it makes sense to have an update for you guys how this has helped me. But when I take a break like this and travel, the reason why my Legion Secret becomes such an important aspect of my entire the way I work is so evident in this space. So if you're looking to understand how a tool like my Legion Secret can help you, then I'm excited to share with you in this video what it has done for me. So I'm a user of my Legion Secret for the last 2.5 years. I joined in March 2023. We are at the end of 2025. Basically, it's around 2.5 years, a little more than that, and I follow this a simple strategy which I call the affiliate marketing essential strategy. It gives you the basics, the skill sets that are needed any which ways in your journey as an affiliate marketer. So when you're doing these kind of efforts, besides systems, besides processes, the skill sets that you're learning at the end of the day is email marketing and copywriting and advertising. These are the main focus points of your day to day. Okay, so if you don't do that, you are not gonna make any money online. That's just how it is. Okay, but if you focus on it, then you can start to generate some income going on. So obviously results are not typical in this video that I'm going to share with you. I'm going to share with you also a strategy. And if you stick to the very end of the video, guys, I will give you a course that costs $1 literally to get started, which is the exact same course, the exact same method that I follow. And I put it in the form of a course so that it can teach you step by step, because I get a lot of questions. What kind of emails should I write? How do I do this? How do I do XYZ in this entire process? So I put it in a very affordable $1 course that you can get access to. And obviously, if you want to get prompts and other things, then there's an additional extra step that's there, but you can do it yourself. Okay, so make sure that you have access to it, and that's going to be linked in the description of this video and also in the pinned comment. So let me go ahead and get started. And first and foremost, I want to just say, what is my Legion Secret, guys? So I like to show this page right here when I talk about my Legion Secret, because at the end of the day, it is a product that gives you 100 business opportunity leads in the make money online space, in the wealth niche. These are 100 to 200 co-registration leads. What does that mean? Am I talking a foreign language to you? Maybe so. So co-registration leads are people who have ticked a box and said, I want to receive marketing promotional emails. And the people that are generating these emails, the partners that are generating these emails, are going out there and paying for it. Let's say they're paying Google, or they're paying YouTube, or they're paying multiple sources to gather these leads. And when they come to that form, these leads have to tick that box that says yes or no, that they want to share these promotional emails. And that's how I am receiving those emails. So we help these partners by contributing to my Legion Secret and paying $30 every single month to maintain this. We are in like a crowdfunding pool, and they use that pool to advertise and generate leads for us every single day. That's how it becomes cheaper. Okay, this is what is called co-registration leads. Now, does that mean they're the best quality leads? I'm the first one to tell you guys, no, it does not mean that they're the best quality leads. But the difference with my Legion Secret and other services out there is that these guys look for US based leads, which basically means that they have a higher earning potential and a higher spending potential. Therefore, you can actually test the waters really well. So it's a good starting point. It's not something that's going to make you rich. It's not something that's going to change, everybody's lives and stuff like that. It is something that's going to give you consistency and help you with learning the skill sets of email marketing. The better you get your emails, the better results you're going to get. That's how I have seen the progress myself, and I definitely can do better than what I'm doing right now. So, as I said, 100 leads every single day. If you do get somebody to join under you within my Legion Secret, the first thing is you're gonna earn $5, but at the same time, you're also gonna get a bonus 100 leads by just having that. Okay, first month costs you $60, and then it's $30 every single month. I personally right now have just two accounts. I had one account for the longest time, guys, and basically what I'm doing is every year I'm opening a new account. So last year I opened, I spent, I think my first account was March 2023. Then the second account I opened in September 2024. And now, a year has passed, and I'm considering opening a third account because of how amazing this service has been for me personally. Okay, so that's in a nutshell what my Legion secret is. Focuses on sending out an email every 24 hours. I basically use this process right here. This is my system or my process that I use. I use my Legion secret to send an offer directly to a sales page, an offer, because I'm collecting, I have these leads, so I'm using my Legion secret kind of as an autoresponder, okay, an email service provider, and I'm using it to just send out email every single day to 9,000, 10,000, 20,000. As you know, as these leads go, it becomes the number, also the volume increases as well. So send out an email every single day to them, and whenever I make a sale, what I do with that income that I earn from that money, I take that money and I purchase more advertising. I buy advertising. So let me give you an example. Let's say that money that I've earned from that first step goes into Facebook ads to build my main funnel, my main business, which is also helping people with email marketing. In this case, it is me sending to my funnel that is growing my email list, and I'm able to monetize that email list. Okay. But this entire process has become kind of a self-funding process. In fact, it is a self-funding process. Okay, so that's how it is. This is what I follow. If you want to know more about it, as I mentioned, you can find it here in the description of this video. There are multiple lessons that are here. There are bonus lessons that are here. If you want to get support and access to me, you can just click here. You can schedule a call with me if you want to get a call with me, or you can just get access to my Facebook group, and you will be able to discuss with me further there. So everything is available. All the support is needed, that you need is going to be there. It's up to you if you want to get it or not. Okay, now just to show you and give you some ideas about my results, I'm going to show you about September 2025, so that you guys can see a little bit of the sales reports for the last couple of months. Okay, so we'll go and we'll just do May to October. Oh, sorry. So in the month of September, as you can see right here, guys, I made a net profit of $329.68 just from Warrior Plus. So that is one of the places that I use. Okay, and then in ClickBank, I believe, if I go to reporting right here, and I will just show you. This is just to give you an idea of what the results are. Okay, I'm not going to go in. This is not a monthly review or something like that. I'll do one next week, most probably for both. But ClickBank, I made about $168 last month, a little lower than the usual amount that I make, but that's absolutely fine. I've also taken a little bit of a step back from ClickBank because I've been focusing a lot more on Warrior Plus. Overall, it's coming to about $500 every single month, as you guys can see. And I basically use my Legion secret. Now, if you don't, I track everything, so I'm going to show you guys that if I go to the last month of September, you'll see that it's 329, and it's all from my Legion secret leads. Okay, most of them, yeah, it's all from my Legion secret. So this is all the tracking codes that I have. I can even tell you which day I made a sale, which day I didn't make a sale. So it's good for me because I use this tracking to be able to then see how I can improve my emails. So remember, the tracking and everything is good, but if it doesn't help you improve your basic skill sets, which is your email marketing, then it doesn't make sense. So I'm using it to see what I'm writing, the content of that email. How do I improve that? How do I make it more congruent? How do I get more clicks to it? Okay, so it is converting. That means I am attracting a certain kind of customer. What is the kind of customer? So I'm asking myself those questions when I see the emails and how I write, because I use a specific methodology when I'm writing my emails. And that helps me for my own email list. Okay, this is a constant fund for me to be able to buy advertising and grow my email list on a daily basis. So it's pretty cool. I really love it. My Legion secret is the basis of it. As I mentioned, it costs $60 to get started the first month. If you guys have any questions about it, let me know. This is how it works. Now I'm going to take a stop for I'm going to stop for a second, and I'm going to share with you a little bit of what's happening this month. Okay, the reason why I want to share with you what's happening this month is because I want you guys to see and feel and understand what can happen when you do go on a vacation, when you do go on a work trip, and you still continue to send out emails every single day. I'm going to go to my dashboard on Warrior Plus, and this is literally, yes, this is the month of, it's going to be the month of, which month are we in? This is the month of October. Yeah, this is the month of October. And as I have been traveling, I haven't been making videos for you guys, you know that, but I still made about $233, $35.42 so far for the month or for this month. And I believe that I will easily make that, in this next week, I should be able to reach that $300, which is my minimum focus every single month that I want to reach. I do it with Warrior Plus to reach $300 every single month. Okay, so that's happening even while I'm on vacation. And all I'm doing, I don't have to base my, I don't have to get this $300 from a, a Facebook or YouTube or anything like that. Just wake up every morning, send out an email every single day, and I stick with it. Okay, the key here is to stick with it. People sometimes come to me and say, David, it's past a month, I'm not making any results. It's past 2 months, I'm not making any results. I always say, go back to the basics. What you're doing wrong is not you're not doing anything wrong. You need to be consistent enough and make those improvements until something clicks. What I mean by that something clicks is you're marketing to an audience. You're building a relationship with that audience. It takes consistent effort to be able to click with them. And once you do more of the same. Okay, until you have results, keep every single month. I always said give it at least a 30-day period. Keep every single month as a trial basis until you get that sale. Once you get those sales, then you start shifting your strategy to doing more of what is winning, and you will increase that frequency. Okay, that's my advice for you guys on this video. It's nothing else. Obviously, as I said before, I cannot guarantee you the results and everything else, but I can share with you the tips and strategies of my own journey. And that's the point of me creating these videos. I really don't focus on anything else but sharing my journey as an affiliate marketer. So if you're interested in learning more about everything that I do affiliate marketing related, you can always connect with me. Otherwise, the links are in the description. If you're interested in this, then this link is going to be in the description. If you're interested in some done for you services that are there, or some other options that are there, which I also am a part of, then you'll find all the resources in the description. Just reach out if you need anything. Okay, have a great day. Keep paving the way for your dreams to come true. I'm going to see you guys on the next video.